Some time later I gained a level of consciousness, more ugly than the one I'd just left. I'd seen some strange things on the inside of my eyelids, and now I was wide awake, but I couldn't be sure.
Well, as you can hear, ladies and gentlemen, it's pouring down rain and thundering and lightning, and it's very, very frightening. And I'm just looking around for leaks in the caravan and hoping I don't get struck by lightning. Anyway, I'm cooking cream corn. Where's the can? Where's the can? It's in the sink. I'm cooking cream corn just in case. That's what you do when it's pouring down rain and thunder and lightning and very, very frightening. That's the wardrobe. Yes, this is inside the caravan, and so far I've been able to fix all the leaks. It doesn't seem to be any of the leaks that were happening before happening again, but we have some new ones. They're over there. There's a couple little ones there, and I marked them with a texter. The old texter. And we're going to attend to them as soon as it stops raining. Let's go have a little wander outside and I'll show you what it's like. Goodness me. It's very wet out here. Oh goodness. Oh, look at this. Oy. Yes, very frightening. Anyway, that's enough of that. We'll go back into the safety of the caravan. Whoa! Holy diddly! Oh! It's exciting. Anyway, if you find that I've a little charred black thing in the whole of the burnt out caravan, that was me. Alright. Well, I'm going to cook the cream corn. See ya later. Bye.
Well, good morning, afternoon, evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see by the previous videos, we did take the van camping. Afterwards, I decided that camping with a gas fridge is quite disturbing. Listening to the gas burbling away just off to the side was not very restful, so I decided, yep, let's ditch the gas fridge and get a 12 volt electric one. So decided on the, because it was affordable at the time, the Brass Monkey 65 litre upright, and later on we supplemented that with the Brass Monkey 20 litre drawer fridge. The reason I did that was because that drawer fridge there has freezing capabilities down to -20. So we went on a little adventure of how many batteries do we need to run this setup, and what kind of configuration should we put it in. I decided a composite backing was best. Here I am working on the 150 Victron that I had bought, and the smaller square there was to fit a 7515 Victron solar controller. And I found that, oh heck, why don't I just fit 250s up, and then we can throw all the solar panels we like at it. And the thought is that the cloudy days need to be taken care of, and the way to do that is panels, solar panels, solar panels, solar panels. So we put a whole bunch of solar panels at it recently. I thought that prices of solar panels and batteries would be going up quite shortly, so I bit the bullet and took on, let's see, what have we got now? We've got a few solar panels, and I'm still configuring it. I'm still not happy with it, you know. In the next video, I'll put down what we've ended up with and all the things that we've learnt. Always use safety glasses when drilling or sawing anything, boys and girls. That's my safety tip for today. And I looked at all the videos that I've got in the assembly of this van, and I thought, I'm never going to work on the van again if I continue to edit like this. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to do one more video to bring you up to speed of where the van is at the moment, and hopefully there'll be maybe another video after that when the van is up to the next stage, because there are projects that I need to be getting on with. And the view of the chair there, I found that really helpful, to have a slidey-widey chair in the van itself, so you can just sit down and scoot along to your next position. So far the things that have worked, I'll let you know later. See you later, bye. Well, here we have the puppy dog Leo, who's trying to tell me something. What are you trying to tell me? You're trying to tell me something. What do you want? What do you want? Tell me. Do you want my presents, do you? Or do you want to go inside and have a sleep? Inside? Ball. Which ball? Where's your ball? Go and get your ball. Go on. Go and get your ball. I don't know. Here he is. Whinging about nothing as usual. I think I better go out and find out what's going on. Hope you haven't done anything weird. Okay, see ya.